In this video, we're going to discuss the fundamentals of deep learning. To begin, let's talk about what deep learning really is. It is a subset of machine learning that mimics the workings of the human brain to process data and create patterns for decision making. Imagine deep learning as a giant factory, where raw materials, or in our case, data, come in at one end and finished products or the insights come out at the other. This factory is filled with different types of machines, or in machine learning, it's called algorithms, working together to transform the raw materials into something useful. Unlike traditional algorithms, deep learning algorithms are designed to analyze data with a structure similar to the human brain's neural networks. This capability makes deep learning extremely powerful for complex tasks like image recognition, speech recognition, and natural language processing. At the heart of deep learning are neural networks, which serve as the foundational building blocks. These are computational models inspired by the human brain, consisting of layers of interconnected nodes or neurons. Picture a neural network as an assembly line in our factory, where each worker or a neuron performs a specific task and then hands off their work to the next worker in line. Each neuron processes input data and passes its output to the next layer of neurons, gradually transforming the data as it flows through the network. This layered approach allows neural networks to learn complex patterns in data, making them ideal for tasks that are difficult to program explicitly. Neural networks typically consist of an input layer, one or more hidden layers, and an output layer. The input layer receives the raw data, the hidden layers perform computations and extract features, and the output layer produces the final prediction or classification. Training a neural network involves adjusting the weights of connections between neurons to minimize the difference between the predicted output and the actual output. Convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, are a type of neural network specifically designed for processing structured grid data, like images. Imagine CNNs as a specialized part of our factory that deals with visual information. What makes CNNs unique is their ability to learn spatial hierarchies of features automatically from input images. This makes them particularly powerful for image recognition tasks. A CNN typically consists of convolutional layers, pooling layers, and fully connected layers. The convolutional layers apply filters to the input image to create feature maps highlighting important aspects like edges and textures. Pooling layers then reduce the spatial dimensions of these feature maps, retaining essential information while reducing computational complexity. Finally, fully connected layers interpret the extracted features to make predictions. The ability of CNNs to automatically learn and generalize features from images has led to significant advancements in computer vision, powering applications like facial recognition, object detection, and even medical image analysis. While CNNs excel at processing spatial data, there are tasks that involve sequential data, and this is where recurrent neural networks, RNNs, come into play. RNNs are designed to handle sequential data, making them ideal for tasks involving time series or natural language. Imagine RNNs as the memory units in our factory, responsible for keeping track of the sequence of steps needed to produce a product. What sets RNNs apart is their ability to retain information from previous inputs and use it to influence the current output. This is achieved through loops within the network, allowing information to persist. RNNs are particularly useful for tasks like language modeling, where understanding the context of previous words is crucial for predicting the next word. However, standard RNNs can struggle with long-term dependencies due to the vanishing gradient problem. To address this, advanced variants like long short-term memory or LSTM networks and gated recurrent units or GRUs have been developed, which can better capture long-term dependencies and maintain information over extended sequences. All these advancements in neural networks, CNNs, and RNNs have revolutionized AI, enabling machines to achieve human-like performance in various tasks. From accurately identifying objects in images to understanding and generating human language, these models have paved the way for innovative applications across industries. Therefore, understanding the fundamentals of deep learning, neural networks, CNNs, and RNNs is crucial for anyone looking to delve into AI. These models form the backbone of many AI systems, and their ability to learn and generalize from data continues to drive advancements in the field.